We're focusing on the tax treatment of individual health insurance premiums for your health insurance licensing exam. Let's start with the most favorably treated group on the exam, the self-employed. If you are a sole proprietor or partner, you may be able to deduct 100% of the health insurance premiums you pay for yourself, your spouse, and dependents. This is a significant advantage because it's an above-the-line deduction, which directly lowers your adjusted gross income, or AGI. The exam will test this by presenting a scenario with a self-employed individual and asking about the deductibility of their premiums. A common trap here is forgetting that this deduction cannot exceed the net earnings from the business. If the business isn't profitable, you can't take the deduction. Now let's contrast that with employees. For most employees in a group health plan, premiums are paid with pre-tax dollars, so there's no separate deduction. However, if an employee pays for an individual policy with after-tax money, the rules are stricter. These premiums are considered a medical expense. To deduct them, the employee must itemize, and their total medical expenses, including premiums, must exceed 7.5% of their AGI. The exam loves to trick you on this AGI floor. They might ask about a person whose medical expenses are 7% of their AGI, and the correct answer is that no deduction is allowed. You can only deduct the amount that is over that threshold. What about individuals who buy insurance through the ACA marketplace? They may be eligible for the premium tax credit. This is a refundable credit that helps lower their monthly premium costs. The exam will want you to know this is a credit, not a deduction, and its availability is based on household income. Finally, let's clarify a common confusion point: COBRA premiums. When a former employee continues coverage through COBRA, the tax treatment is the same as any other individual medical expense. The premiums must be itemized and are subject to the same 7.5% AGI floor. There is no special COBRA deduction. Don't let the exam fool you with an answer choice suggesting otherwise. To keep the self-employed rule straight, remember this phrase: self-employed gets to sit on top. SIT stands for self-employed, insurance, tax deductible. On top reminds you that it's an above-the-line deduction, making it more valuable than an itemized deduction. For free practice questions, AI-powered explanations, and more exam prep tools, visit openexamprep.com. That's openexamprep, all one word, .com.